What's the meaning of blue plaque? Blue plaque. Blue plaque.
Blue plaque. Blue plaque. A blue plaque is a marker placed on buildings or locations in the United Kingdom and some other countries to commemorate a significant person, event, or organization associated with that place. The plaques are typically blue in color and feature a short inscription describing why the person or event is important. Blue plaques are intended to promote awareness and appreciation of the historical and cultural significance of various locations. They are often placed on buildings where famous people lived or worked, such as poets, writers, artists, musicians, and scientists. The blue plaques provide a tangible link to the past and help to preserve the memory of important figures for future generations.